but that has been giving us a lot of strength, a lot of pleasure. And God has been, as I said earlier, has been carrying me and the family. We went through a lot of problems, especially this building was causing so much of problem. When people are fighting against you, that is the time you need somebody else's power. And God was there to, though there were a lot of people fighting against me, against us, it was God who carried us. And it is not a small thing. We ventured into a project which was not imaginable. That is, we didn't have money, we didn't have track record, we didn't have any, especially I didn't have any qualification. But then God, as I said earlier, carried us. Then comes, I am in the habit of doing something different. Anybody can do what is being done by others. I always take a detour and then go on a tangent and try to do something different. Building was one of them. The yacht was something else. And all these activities, even the Navy, I was one of the, project man I used to do. I used to make a lot of projects. Even after I retired, there used to be about 28 projects pending on my file. Because of, for lack of money and all, it was not done. Now it is being done. So, it has been a wonderful journey. And credit goes to my roommate.
Not wife.
Roommate, friend, and philosopher. We had a wonderful time. And whenever there was any problem, we used to solve it. And especially when we were going through hard money problems, then she was there for coming. And she used to hold my hand. And that was the secret of our success. Now, I will and especially for my yes.
Hope all the other husbands are watching.
After 3 years, I am also expecting the same necklace.
You, not you.
Okay, then.
Okay, so Daddy, we are all so proud of what you have done, and all of us look up to you for all your achievements. The big ones being the condominiums, the yacht, the Manjula and Kudamba Samajam book, Destination USA, Norfolk, whole lot of achievements. Of course, the Vishish Seva medal from the Navy and so many other things from the Navy. So we have tried to put all of those into one cake. Space is less, whatever was there, space was available, we have put. But there are much more and many more things which couldn't be accommodated. But we want to say that we are proud of all your achievements and look up to you always. Thank you very
അടുത്തുള്ളവരൊക്കെ മാറിക്കട്ടെ ചാച്ചനെ വാള് വിട്ടിട്ടുള്ള കളിയില്ല
ഏറ്റവും മുമ്പിൽ
അത് അവിടെ വെച്ചിരുന്നത് നേരത്തെ അവിടെ ഇരിക്കട്ടെ
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless
bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray!
പിന്നെ വാളിന്റെ കൂടി ഒരു സാധനം കൂടിയുണ്ട്, ഷാംപെയിൻ. അതും അപ്പൊ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഷാംപെയിൻ ട്രേഡ്മാർക്ക്. വാളിന്റെ കൂടി ഫ്രീ ആണ്.
കോംബോ കോംബോ
കോംബോ ഓഫർ. ഇത്
Who is opening the champagne bottle?
Be careful with that. Other magic of that plastic thing that will be taken out. Be careful.
Well done.
Before that. Yes. Thank you.
I will be singing a devotional song.
ഏതും കുറവെനിക്കെനിയില്ല മഹാപ്രതാപവാൻ ബലവാനങ്ങേ കരങ്ങളിൽ ഭയമെനിക്കില്ല യഹോവയാണെന്റെ ഇടയൻ ഇരുൾ നിറയും പാതയതിൽ ദയ നിറഞ്ഞൊഴുകും മിഴികളുമായി ഇരുൾ നിറയും പാതയതിൽ ദയ നിറഞ്ഞൊഴുകും മിഴികളുമായി അവൻ എന്നെ പുണരും അടുത്തിരുന്നുറക്കും അകലെത്തി വൈരിയെ തുരത്തിയിടും യഹോവയാണെന്റെ ഹൃദയൻ ഏതും കുറവെനിക്കിനിയില്ല മഹാപ്രതാപവാൻ ബലവാനങ്ങേ കരങ്ങളിൽ ഭയമെനിക്കില്ല തെളിച്ചു നൽകും പാതയവൻ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചു നീങ്ങും മുന്നിലവൻ തെളിച്ചു നൽകും പാതയവൻ എന്നെ വിളിച്ചു നീങ്ങും മുന്നിലവൻ തളിരണി വയലും കുളിരുറവയതും പ്രിയനെനിക്കാനന്ദം പകർന്നു യഹോവയാണെന്റെ ഇടയൻ ഏതും കുറവെനിക്കിനിയില്ല മഹാപ്രതാപവാൻ ബലവാനങ്ങേ കരങ്ങളിൽ ഭയമെനിക്കില്ല.
So I hope all of you have a glass of champagne. We'll give a small toast and then we'll have this champagne.